Welcome. In front of me I have Realme GT, and today I will show you how you can add widgets. At first, click and hold on your home screen, slide on the right, pick widgets. Right now we can choose widget that you want to apply. When you scroll down you can find other widget. For example, I will take the weather widget. It's right here, date and the weather. Click on it once, and after that the widget, as you can see, it's added to the home screen. So we can simply move it for another screen. Click, hold, and then drag it, for example, here. When you click and hold it and after that release, you can remove it, as you can see. So it's very simple. We can try to add another one. Right now we can add maybe this clock. Okay, and this is not enough space, so let's try this one. There it is. As you can see, here we got our widget. When we tap on it, the weather application and the clock will be open. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.